This is what happens to your body if you eat ginger every day. Ginger, also known as Zingiber officinale, is a flowering plant whose root or rhizome is used as a spice. It can be consumed in many forms: fresh, dried, powdered, and in the form of oil and juice. In many places, it is mostly used in sweets and alcoholic beverages such as ginger beer and wine. Today, ginger is on the FDA's list of generally safe foods and is often used to mask the taste of bitter medicines such as cough syrups. Most of the benefits derived from ginger are because of the presence of an active constituent called gingerol in it. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, it is also rich in carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and protein. In terms of minerals, it has sodium, iron, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Vitamins in it include vitamin C, folate, vitamin B6, riboflavin, and niacin. There are many anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds like pantothenic acid, beta-carotene, capsaicin, curcumin, caffeic acid, and salicylate in it. Also, the presence of active compounds like shogaol, zerumbone, terpenoids, flavonoids, pyridol, and zingerone in ginger provide many health benefits. The various health benefits of this amazing root are given below. Relieves nausea. A study published in Nutrition Journal reveals that ginger helps in curing nausea and vomiting connected with morning sickness in pregnancy. It has long been used as a preventive measure for motion sickness and seasickness. Cancer patients who have undergone chemotherapy can benefit from this root as it will relieve the symptoms of nausea and vomiting. Its quick absorption and rapid regulation of body functions cure nausea in people who have undergone surgeries, without any side effects. This is concluded in a research study by Dr. Charles Heckler, University of Rochester Medical Center, U.S. Nausea and vomiting, being symptoms of a migraine, can irritate people. By curing both, ginger can effectively treat migraine and headaches that follow it. Treats cold and flu. Ginger has been prescribed to fight illnesses and infection like cold and flu in all ages. It can be used in the form of tea for keeping the body warm. The tea acts as a diaphoretic and induces sweating, which removes toxins from the body and makes you healthy as before. Aids indigestion. Ginger has been discovered to be a facilitator of the digestive process. The elevated sugar levels after a meal may cause the stomach to reduce its natural rate of emptying its contents. It helps in regulating high sugar levels and soothing the stomach, thus, maintaining its regular rhythm. Along with that, it has a number of compounds that improve the absorption of nutrients and minerals from the food we eat. This is why ginger is frequently used as an appetizer or an apéritif, since it can stimulate the appetite while preparing the digestive system for an influx of food. Reduces arthritis pain. Ginger is known to boost bone health and relieve joint pain associated with arthritis. It contains gingerol, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Gingerol has been directly associated with improvements in osteoarthritis, knee inflammation, and rheumatoid arthritis, as cited in a study published in Arthritis and Rheumatism Journal. Along with that, it also suppresses the inflammatory compounds like cytokines and chemokines at the source before they begin to affect the body. Liver protection. People suffering from tuberculosis can benefit from ginger, as it helps prevent hepatotoxicity. It also protects against the liver-damaging cadmium poisoning caused due to significant ingestion of cadmium. Its essential oil exerts a protective effect against the non-alcoholic fatty liver disease occurring because of obesity. Prevents obesity. Ginger can aid in accelerating weight loss and managing obesity by helping boost your metabolism. It increases exercise endurance capacity so that you work out well and get back into shape to fit in that outfit you were so excited to wear. Relieves muscle pain. Ginger is well known for reducing muscle pain and soreness caused due to exercising. The anti-inflammatory properties of this root are to be credited for this benefit. Prevents menstrual cramps. Ginger helps reduce the levels of prostaglandins in the body, hence it aids in relieving cramps. Scientists believe that high levels of prostaglandins contribute to increased menstrual cramps. Cramps are the body's way of alarming an individual to some type of danger or damage. In this case, prostaglandins, which are hormones that function as chemical messengers, are the key activators of symptoms such as cramps, pains, and fevers. Boosts heart health. Ginger protects cardiovascular health by lowering the LDL cholesterol levels and increasing HDL cholesterol levels. It also reduces the risk of blood clotting, thereby helping regulate hypertension and keeping your heart healthy. Controls diabetes. Ginger helps regulate the blood sugar levels in people suffering from type 2 diabetes. Glycemic and lipid abnormalities lead to long-term complications in diabetics. Therefore, to improve your insulin resistance and control diabetes, consider adding this root to your diet. Detoxifies the body. Ginger is good at promoting sweating. Sweating cleans out the pores and allows your body to eliminate toxins. Research has also shown that sweat includes a germ-fighting compound, named dermcidin. It has been positively connected to reduced bacterial and viral infections as it can create a sheen on the skin, which is a protective layer of previously unknown proteins. Prevents infection. Ginger is known to inhibit bacterial, viral, and fungal infection, owing to the presence of gingerol in it. It also helps in maintaining oral health by killing the pathogens in the mouth and keep the teeth and gums intact. Its antibacterial properties help ward off pathogenic bacteria that cause urinary tract infection, UTI, bronchitis, and pneumonia. Treats diarrhea. Ginger has been used since ancient times to cure diarrhea since it prevents stomach spasms and gas that contribute to and stimulate it. In China, the powdered form is given to those with diarrhea, and this traditional practice is followed for thousands of years. Scientists have concluded that these ancient treatments are indeed beneficial for this condition. Skin care. Ginger can help in alleviating the symptoms of eczema, owing to its anti-inflammatory properties. By adding ginger tea, or the juice to your diet, you can easily bid goodbye to many chronic skin conditions like dermatitis, acne, and psoriasis. Increases sexual activity. A known aphrodisiac, ginger has been used for years to arouse desire and enhance sexual activity. Its scent has a unique allure that helps in increasing fertility and establishing a sexual connection. This root also helps increase blood circulation, hence blood flows more easily to the midsection of the body, an important area for sexual performance. Uses of ginger. Fresh raw ginger root is a staple ingredient in Asian cuisines and is used in soups, rice, noodle, and stews. Pickled ginger is offered with sushi as a palate cleanser. World over, it is also used to flavor beverages such as tea, specialty coffees, lemonades, cocktails, and even smoothies. Ginger cookies, candied ginger, and the gingerbread man are popular holiday favorites. Ginger tea. You can make your own ginger tea by steeping grated ginger in boiled water. It is a natural cure for a sore throat, coughs, and colds. Ginger water. Just squeeze in half a lemon in lukewarm water, about 1 glass, and add in 1 inch grated ginger. Drink 2 glasses of the lemon and ginger detox drink early morning for 1 to 2 months without fail and watch out for effective results. Last but not least, make sure that you share this very useful information with your friends and family. You may help someone in need. Thank you and have a nice day.